Chaats. That addictive Indian snack food. You better be hungry because today we'll be trying Dahi Bhalla and Aloo Tikki in the heart of Old Delhi. It is a hot and sunny day here in Chandni Chowk. Let's hunt down some of Delhi's most famous chaat.
Okay, so right behind us is the Natraj Dahi Bhalle Corner. We've come for some Aloo Tikki and some Dahi Bhalla. So this Aloo Tikki, it looks special, man. It looks like they're stuffing it with something.
Yeah,
what's inside?
There's a stuffing of lentils.
Lentils inside the Aloo Tikki.
Yeah.
Wow, so that's like a super special Aloo Tikki. Because sometimes it's only mashed potato, the Aloo Tikki you get on the street. But here, it is a super special, unique preparation of Aloo Tikki. Let's check it out. Okay, I finally got a spot in here in the crazy traffic. Aur bhai sahab, ek dahi bhalla aur ek aloo tikki. ठीक है? 100 रुपए? Okay, so it's 50 rupees each. 50 rupees each? Dahi bhalla already served. Wow, that looks delicious. So this is Dahi Bhalla. This is a classic chaat dish here on the streets of Chandni Chowk. That's really ruining our audio though. So I know dahi means yogurt, but what actually is the bhalla?
Bhalla is like dim sum, made from the lentils.
Okay, so it's like a dumpling made from lentil.
Yep.
Wow, like a little lentil bread.
And you have some pomegranates in the chutney also.
Yeah, so some sweet chutney up in this yogurt mixture and some little chunks of pomegranate too for added texture. All right, time to dig in. Oh yeah, that bhalla is really, really soft. Extremely soft, like it almost melts in your mouth. That lentil bread. It is extremely soft like a pillow. And the mix of yogurt and sweet chutney, sweet, tangy, sour, all at once. And then it looks like we've got some black pepper and some herb mixture on the top, maybe some black salt as well. So overall, it's like that classic chaat explosion of different flavors, textures in your mouth at once. All right, I've got one token for Aloo Tikki. All right, these Aloo Tikkis are about to get covered in some sweet green and red chutneys. Oh yeah, look at that. Green chutney and red chutney. Give me a spoon for the eating. And here are our stuffed Aloo Tikkis. Thank you, G. So here is the next dish, the Aloo Tikki. Oh, this is what I'm really excited for. So this is a special Aloo Tikki with dal on the inside. And we've got two chutneys here. So what are these chutneys?
The green one contains pudina and coriander, and the red one is made out of tamarind.
Tamarind, oh nice. So
That is why you are getting sour flavor in the dahi bhalla.
Yeah. So the sour tamarind chutney, one sec. A sour red tamarind chutney mixed with a mint and coriander green herbal chutney. So the fusion of those two chutneys is gonna come in on these stuffed Aloo Tikkis. I'm so excited. Oh, look at this beautiful stuffing. Oh my God, a stuffed Aloo Tikki. I've never even heard of that. Let's try it. It is absolutely soaked in that red sour tamarind chutney. Nice. Wow, the outside of the Aloo Tikki has a really nice crispiness, a nice fried crunch on the outside of that potato, and the inside, the dal. The dal mix is actually quite spicy. I really like that inner dal mix. The mixture of textures between the crunchy outside of the potato, the mashed potato inside, and then the dal mixture on the very inside. Man, look at this, it's even got matar on the inside, green peas in that stuffing. There's an amazing combination of flavors and textures.
Stay tuned for more episodes on Delhi classics, like the old famous Jalebi Wala. Subscribe to Source and Flow for more amazing street food videos from all around the globe.